In this lecture, I will teach you the how to customize the ribbon and the quick access. You have seen this before, but it's important for you to just know that. But before going there, there is one button here which says tell me what you want to do. And if I say okay, complete, then it brings all the, for example, options that you have, for example, in the MS Project software, or you want to say update project, then it shows these options that are related to updating the project. So it's a search bar that you can just put, and then you can get help on update, or you can say update project. And what will happen if I press get help on, then it will start to search and it provide whatever information you need. It's great tool. If you are lost in the project and you don't know about anything, you can just type it here. It's always here. You can just, for example, use it. Let's say if I say over allocated, then it says okay, level resource over allocation. Then it says how to prevent and use the over allocation. We can so view resources. So it's also important to just use this really useful toolbar that is provided here. Regarding the quick access, there are a bunch of buttons here that you see in your MS software, but I'm gonna tell you to just it is really time saving if you put this and bring it down below. So the way it works, I go to file, we have seen this before, options, and in the options, if I go here in the quick access toolbar, then here there is button here, it says show quick access toolbar below the ribbon, and ribbon are these that you see here, are these two tabs that you see here. If I press OK, then it moves those quick access down below. And this is something that I generated for myself. So for example, I say show me the view for example options in this quick access, or this button which is scroll to task, which I told you it save you bunch of times if when you are working and you're in a especially complex project, you just press here rather than going, let's say if I come here, if this button was not here, I should have gone to for example the view tab or to the task tab and then find this scroll to task. But here it's always here, you just press it and then you can use it. We have the clear filter, then clear group. You can put the clear highlight as well here. How it works, you go to file, options. I mentioned this, how that's possible. Go to quick access toolbar. That's the toolbar that I have added for myself here. If you want to just add something that you use a lot and you should have it here, you can just put it here. For example, if I want to add this unlinked task here, I put it, and then you can move it up or down and then press OK, and then you will see that it is shown here. So what I suggest, please take note here, scroll to task is important to have it here in your quick access. This view options is important because wherever you are, here, there, over there, you have this available here. You can change the views easily. Then you have the print preview options here, the print options. These options that you can email your project to someone else. The save option or save as option, opening and new project. These are by default in the quick access, but I added these also here. These also important, clear group, clear for a filter, and one of the most important one, show outline. If you recall, I told you can see different levels of the project by just switching and using this show outline. So put it here in your quick access so you can have access to this one quickly. Then we have the mouse or touch button as well that you can use, and the undo button. So I'm gonna keep this one. If you don't see this view, just go to options, bring this quick toolbar below your ribbon. And also if you recall, I told you in the display of the option, you can bring this also a bar here where in order to see the cell value, or you can just change it. So that's been done. You have done excellent here. I'm gonna just start the next section, which is about creating project from scratch. See you then.